In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create more tasks easily with Asana content creators. By the end, you'll have a simple system to turn one well-built task into a whole slate of content tasks in just a few clicks, without redoing the same setup over and over. We'll begin by creating a single master task in your project. Think of this as your template, the one place where you set your standards once. Inside that task, add the core subtasks you repeat for every piece of content: script, edit, upload, and SEO. These act like your checklist so nothing slips through. Add an assignee to the master task if you want a default owner, or leave it unassigned if you plan to assign each copy later. Set a due date as a baseline. You can shift dates when you duplicate. Then fill out your custom fields so every duplicate inherits your structure. Fields like platform, status, and type are especially useful for filtering, reporting, and keeping your pipeline organized. If you have a brief or guidelines, drop them into the task description and attach any reference files you want copied forward. With your master task open in the task panel, move to the top right and click the three dots labeled More Actions. This is where the time savers live. Choose Duplicate Task. A window will ask what you want to copy. For a reliable template, make sure subtasks, description, attachments, and custom fields are checked. That ensures your checklist, notes, creative brief, reference files, and metadata all transfer to each new task. If your description includes placeholders, give it a quick polish so every duplicate starts clean and clear. Now click Duplicate. Asana will create an exact copy. Rename it to match the content piece you're producing, update the assignee to the right person, and adjust the due date to fit your schedule. Repeat duplication as many times as you need. Build out a week, a month, or an entire campaign in minutes. This method is perfect for daily content, batching 10 to 50 reels at once, repeating client deliverables that follow the same workflow, and weekly series content. You'll get consistent steps every time while cutting down on admin work. To recap, build one thoughtful master task with subtasks, an assignee, a due date, and custom fields. Open More Actions, select Duplicate Task, choose to copy subtasks, description, attachments, and custom fields, then click Duplicate and personalize each copy. Use this approach whenever you want speed and consistency across your content pipeline. Give it a try and watch your production scale without sacrificing quality.